Gentleness. The beauty of Islam is found in gentleness. This has been advised by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in many narrations such as the one found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 3689. The Holy Quran even mentions that the companions, may Allah be pleased with them all, constantly lovingly accompanied the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, because of his gentleness and soft nature. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 159.
So by mercy from Allah you were lenient with them. And if you had been rude in speech and harsh in heart, they would have disbanded from about you.
The Arabs were infamous for being harsh-hearted, but due to the Holy Prophet Muhammad's, peace and blessings be upon him, soft temperament, their tough hearts melted, and thus they adopted this quality and became beacons to guide the rest of mankind. This is why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4809, that the one who is deprived of gentleness is deprived of good. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 103.
And remember the favor of Allah upon you, when you were enemies and He brought your hearts together and you became by His favor brothers.
This is a clear message to those who desire to spread the word of Islam. They must possess a gentle, constructive mindset, rather than a harsh, destructive one. They should unite people and strive to benefit others, rather than spreading controversy within society. A good example of this is seen in one's attitude towards their children. The parents that showed a gentle nature towards their children had a greater positive impact on them than the parents who adopted a harsh temperament. Often some push people further away from Islam with their harsh attitude, and this completely challenges the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. For example, once an uneducated Bedouin urinated in the mosque of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. When the companions, may Allah be pleased with them all, desired to punish him, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, forbade them and gently explained to the Bedouin the etiquettes of being in a mosque. This incident is mentioned in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 529. This soft approach affected the man in a positive way. This important characteristic is also mentioned in many places of the Holy Quran. For example, even though Pharaoh claimed to be the highest Lord, yet Allah, the Exalted, commanded the Holy Prophet Musa and the Holy Prophet Harun, peace be upon them both, to invite Pharaoh towards guidance using gentle and kind speech. Chapter 79 An-Nazi'at, verse 24.
And said, I am your most exalted Lord.
And chapter 20 Taha, verses 43 to 44.
Go both of you to Pharaoh. Indeed he has transgressed. And speak to him with gentle speech, that perhaps he may be reminded or fear Allah.
Children and even animals understand the language of gentleness. So how can an adult not be guided correctly, if one adopts this characteristic when inviting them towards Islam and good? This is why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, once advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6601, that Allah, the Exalted, is kind and gentle according to His infinite dignity and likes the creation to act softly with each other. Unfortunately, many who spread the word of Islam have adopted the incorrect belief that being gentle is a sign of weakness. This is nothing but a ploy of the devil, as he desires to lead mankind away from Islam. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.